habits of excellence, habits of success, entrepreneurship, leadership and management, learning and development, and outlook, mindsets, attitudes. Hello world! Welcome to AskLouieB. You ask the questions, I'll give the answers. Now it's time to develop your presentation flow and talking points. After the introductions, you deliver your creative opening. And it's important that you're able to get the audience attention at the start. Questions such as, how does the thought of saving $5 million sound to you? Or, we're excited to share with you how we can help you outdo your competitors given the price war currently happening in your industry. And if there's any available information or any previous meeting, a recap of highlights and agreements are required, then we proceed to your usual company presentation for new accounts and partners. You jump to your proposal presentation where you present the product FBA, features, benefits, and advantages. And importantly, the closing, your CTA or call to action. When you end any presentation, do not end with, "That's all for my presentation." That's it. Because if you listen to "that's all" or "that's it," you listen to them carefully, analyze the words, you realize that you belittle the value of your presentation. You belittle the efforts that you put forth in preparing for everything. So end all presentations with a powerful call to action. Sign up now, approve of this and expand your market coverage, renew now, and save yourself the hassle. This is Louie Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.